My name is Mrs.Etehu Faustin. I'm a Cameroonian. Actually, I've suffered pain on my right hip for close to 20 years. So I've gone from hospital to hospital, and it's recently, about last year, that I was told that I need a total hip replacement. I was just imagining how that one was going to be. So I consulted about 4 doctors, and they said it's total hip replacement. But again, I was a little afraid. I said, replacing my hip, how is it going to look like? And if it is not well done? I met a friend who told me about the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences in India. After having conversed with the doctor on phone, I made preparations and came to India, and my hip was operated and replaced. So I used to feel acute pain before. In fact, for the last 1 year, I used to cry every night, and I would ask myself, I say, is this how the rest of my life is going to be? Because the pain was very severe, and my movement had changed. I was now walking like an old woman. So as I came here, I met Dr. Deepak. He did the surgery. The hip was replaced. And I think for now I feel different. I feel fine because the pain is no longer, I'm not very well yet, because it's going to take some time. It's not automatic, but I feel differently, and I feel better than how I used to feel. So I'm very grateful. I think the hospital is a very wonderful place. I found very kind people, the nurses, the workers. Everybody knows exactly what to do and at what time. So the attention I was given, I'm very pleased with the attention, because I was really taken care of, and I feel better. I feel fine. I thank the doctor very much, because I think he has done a lot for me. And I'll recommend anybody who has a problem with the leg, especially if they say it's hip replacement, I think the person should try and visit India and see Dr. Deepak. Thank you very much.